Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up AutoPay on Cox Online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set up AutoPay on your Cox Internet bill. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Cox account. Now, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on this icon here, and then click on My Account. Now, once you click on My Account, you want to go and scroll down, and you should see this option to actually go ahead and see Easy Pay Automatic Payments is on. Click on Manage. So once you click on Manage, you're going to see that you could actually go ahead and set up AutoPay so that you no longer have to worry about paying your Cox bill on time. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up AutoPay on Cox Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.